locations in Milan, Paris, Chemnitz in Germany, projects in the Philippines, Congo or Bosnia. With now 1,100 employees, Gruner is on course for growth. Today we speak with our CEO Olivier Aby and Sergio Gamiglietti, Head of Energy Business Area, about Gruner's plans for the future. Olivier, what is the reason for the expansion of locations at Gruner?
We have just gone through a new strategy cycle, and as part of this new strategy cycle we defined a few objectives, and one is international growth. Why international growth? I think there are two main reasons. One are the opportunities we see in the market, especially in the energy and in the infrastructure market. Globally, but of course we focus on specific countries. And secondly, it's a matter of risk resilience within the company. We have a very strong buildings division and a strong infrastructure division and a smaller energy division, which we would like to scale up a bit, to have a balance between the three divisions, which will improve our risk and resilience profile of the company.
Sergio, you are responsible for the development of the two new sites in Paris and Milan. Why these two locations of all places?
We had three main criteria for when choosing the new locations. One, the first and foremost, is the availability of resources, because we are in a people business. Then we wanted to enter into an evolving and dynamic market in energy and infrastructure engineering. And last but not least, we were looking at the cultural fit, meaning the easiness for integrating the new locations and staff into our group.
International projects are also increasing. We have projects even in Australia, in the Philippines, Congo. Why are these countries interesting for Gruner?
Well, when we look at our international development, as Olivier said, we try to be very selective. And so we look at countries which have a potential for energy projects, a long pipeline of big projects where we can use our references and know-how for some specific sectors or in general. And in Australia, for example, our know-how and references in the pumped storage plants and dam heightening sectors are very much in demand, and this is why we focused over the last few months over developing this market.
And final question, what can we expect from the company in the coming years, Sergio?
The energy business area and Gruner as a whole, we're geared up for growth. As Olivier said, we will not grow in a random way, very selectively, and we will maintain our level of quality and our tailor-made approach that, for me, set us apart.
I think customer proximity is something which is important. You know, when we talk about hydro projects, we always see these big projects over decades, but we also do many small projects, very close to the customer, together with the customer, trying to find the best solution. And this is something we will continue to do, is part of our strategy.
Thank you so much for these insights, Olivier and Sergio.
Thank you.
To find out more about Gruner's growth, visit our website at gruner.ch.